Hello there, welcome again to another video of Shona Nouns, and we are continuing with learning body parts, Nhengo dzemuviri. In this video we are going to cover mostly the head. So the head is called Musoro. Hair is called Vhudzi. Forehead is called Mhanza. And the back of the head is called Gotsi. Eye is Ziso. Eyelashes are called Tsiye. And it is the same with eyebrows. They are both called Tsiye. There's no distinction between the two. An ear is called Ndebvu. And a nose is called Mhuno. A cheek is called Dama. Lip and mouth, they are both called Muromo. Tooth is Zino. Chin is Chirebvu. And you go down to the neck. The neck is called Huro. Next up is beard. Oh, my arrows just disappeared. We are using a female face, so just hang on a sec. Let me do some photoshopping. There we go. There's our arrow and our beard. And beard is called Ndebvu. Alright, here's our summary of the body parts that we've covered. A head is called Musoro, and the plural there is Misoro for heads. Okay, Vhudzi is hair, both in singular and plural forms. So is forehead, Mhanza. The back of the head is called Gotsi. Plural is Makotsi. Eye is Ziso. Two or more Maziso. Eyelashes and eyebrows, they are both called Tsiye. Alright, and ear is Ndebvu. The nose is called Mhuno. If there are many noses, Mino. Cheek is Dama, and Matama for many. Lip and mouth, they are called Muromo. Miromo when they are many. Tooth is Zino or Mazino. Alright, and chin is Chirebvu. Plural. Ndebvu is beard. Beard is Ndebvu rather. And neck is Huro. Thank you for watching. Do not tender. Keep on watching, keep on learning Shona. Bye bye.